3 years of my life, ever since I could remember ko.
Hi! 70 years old. Ang sasi ko ni Kailan. Ang tagal.
Bakit ka excited?
Feeling ko ang dami kong makikilala ng bagong sisters and brothers. Parang bagong pamilya lang ko. All my life, people always thought na I had it all. But in reality, I don't. I had all of this. So, I'm gonna love your room. Just, what's your money? Okay. Ano yan? Nasasaktan lang po ako, kuya, kasi I'm really trying my best. Sorry. I'm very hard. I miss. Yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Say. I just try my best to get back wiser, stronger. I don't think mistakes define us, or trust that the generation wasn't gonna there's this one.
Ikaw ang Raphael Bianca.
Nasasama rin to because I feel like I'm not deserving of the roles that I'm given.
Ikaw ay pinapatawan ko ng automatic nomination.
Kuya, ako po, I'm not very stable. So it's just nice to hear from someone na it's all going to be okay.
Kasi bonito mula sa sa'yo.
Hindi na kaya hindi. So, seeing Peach again, will you want to fight even harder?
It's safe tonight. Sumi and Bianca.
Kung kaya nila, kaya ko rin. Rank 9, it's very telling of how they perceived me, of how much they maybe saw me or appreciated me. Pero hindi ko yun yung tingin ko sa sarili ko. For good.
Ang mabilis na nahanap ang kurso sa pagbasa at pagsala ng bola kaya
Kayo ay makakapagbigay ng 100,000 pesos.
Meron lang nag-flip din sa kanila eh. Mas ginalingan na nila.
After the nominations, the reasons were sometimes I lack focus. Kasi ito sa pamamaraan na makabawi sa mga housemates for those times. I was nominated 3 times in this house. Yung points na yun, says about a lot of us, but of being na kahit na ako meron akong doubt sa sarili ko, na hindi ko nakikita sa sarili ko. Kasi siya ina-acknowledge ko. Kasi feeling ko parati ang hina-hina ko. Fact na maraming naniniwala sa labas sa kakayahan ko. And again, feeling ko I'm not the best at this competition. Pero sa sabi ko at confident ako, sa bahay na ito, makatotoo. Kailan ba ako ng number 1? Never din. So, kung usapang tasks and challenges, yes, I agree. Nagkaroon ako ng pagkukulang. Nung simula, I wasn't the best. Pero wala kayo dito nang nag-improve ako. You weren't here. Naniniwala ako na gumaling ako. I did my best. Mas nagkaroon ako ng drive. Mas naging focused ako. And I'm sorry na hindi niyo yun nakita.
Ako si Bianca de Vera, ang sassy unikang iha ng Taguig.
ladies and gentlemen, that's Bianca de Vera!
Again? Pinapayak niyo ako. Wala pa akong 10 minutes dito. Ano ba crying, sis? Ano ba yan?
Hanggang mamaya daw yan. Sana nag-prepare ka na t-shirt. Okay.
When I entered PBB, I was just a girl with a dream. Wala akong alam sa mundo ng showbiz, pero may baon akong puso at pangarap. Never in my wildest dreams did I imagine that stepping out of that house, I would find all of you, my family. You guys are not just my supporters, but you guys are my home. Ganun ko kayo tinitingnan, hindi kayo simpleng fans lang. Dahil kayo ang dahilan kung bakit mas tumatatag ako araw-araw. I know hindi madali maging fan. Nakikita, naririnig at nararamdaman ko lahat ng mga struggles nyo. And minsan nadadala kayo sa mga away-away and minsan napapagod din kayo. Pero kahit ganon, pinipiling niyo pa rin pag-stay, pinipiling niyo pa rin ako. You stand by me through all of the noise, through the highs, through the lows, and for that, I will forever be grateful. Sa lahat ng bashing, lahat ng intriga, hindi ako bumibitaw kasi alam kong hawak-hawak niyo ako. Every time I feel weak, every time I feel small, iniisip ko lang kayo. And suddenly, nagiging malakas ako ulit. Kasi alam ko, hindi ako nag-iisa. I'm not perfect and I know I make a lot of mistakes and I stumble, but you've shown me na kahit ano mangyari, tanggap niyo ako. Buong-buo. Kaya I promise to give you the same kind of love. Walang kondisyon, walang sukat, at walang hangganan. This fan meet is not just about me. This is about all of us. It's about the journey that we will keep on. It's about the journey we will keep walking. That no matter how hard, no matter how messy, kaya ba? Kaya sa lahat na nandito at sa lahat ng sumusuporta kahit malayo, thank you for making who I am today. This is not just Bianca De Vera standing here. This is our story. This is our victory. Maraming salamat. Mahal na mahal ko kayong lahat. And I will spend the rest of my career showing you guys how much I value and treasure all of you. That I will forever and always be your sassy, unika, ina.
Well, ako naman, bago pa naman ako pumasok ng TVB and while I was inside, hindi rin naman talaga ako sure kung mamahalin niyo ako o kung mahal-mahal ba ako. I mean, alam niyo naman yun, alam niyo naman na before entering, I had a lot of doubts. Dami kong insecurities. I was really fighting within myself as well. So, you know, seeing that, and nakita niyo rin lahat ng yun, I guess I just want to say thank you. Kasi, minahal niyo ako sa kung sino talaga ako. Minahal niyo ako ng buong-buo.
We love you, Bianca!
Minahal niyo ako ng buong-buo. And hindi madali yun, ha? Alam kong mahirap akong mahalin. I know I'm a lot.
No!
And, ayun, thank you talaga. Thank you because andito kayo sumusuporta sa akin, andito kayo sumatsaga sa akin, nagmamahal sa akin, at alam kong minsan nakakapagod. This world is very cruel and it's not easy, I know that, but because of you guys, nakakabangan ako each day stronger, and isa kayo sa mga rason kung bakit talaga ako nagpapatuloy, and without you guys, I really don't know kung nasan ako. So, thank you. And lahat kayo dito, mahal na mahal ko kayo. So, thank you.
Grabe, unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko lang magsabi ng gagandang yung lahat. Grabe! Talagang inakita niyo ko ngayon. Ang cute niyo in your dresses, and your makeup, and your smile. So, thank you so much for being here. And maraming salamat sa oras niyo, sa supportang niyo, and never once in my entire stay here in the outside world since I got out did I ever feel na hindi ako kamahal-mahal. And I've always been looking forward to this day, yung makita kayo again in flesh, makapag-bonding tayo, and I'm just really happy and grateful to be able to see you. You guys are such gifts to me. So this day is truly, it's very, very special to me. So thank you for being here. And of course, to my Forever Bianca admins, of course,